All my dear friends, once again welcome to Ligro Institute. Friends, how are you all guys? Friends, today in this video I will talk about the importance of English in our life. You can say the benefits of learning English. Why are you learning English? What's the benefits of learning English? What is the importance of English? You can say. So friends, this is very important question and this is very necessary question because if you are learning English, then anyone can ask to you, why are you learning English? Then that time, how can you reply? So first of all, we need to know about this topic. How can you speak about what is the importance of English? So friends, without wasting our time, I should start. So friends, listen. The importance of English is very important in our life. If you want to learn English and if you want to do something in your life, then we should and we all should learn English because without English language you cannot do better in your life. If you talk about in education field, so suppose that if you are preparing for any competitive exam like JEE Mains, NEET, IIT, so that time only English language will help you too much because their syllabus is totally present in English medium. So because if you don't know English very well, then how can you prepare for NEET? And you know NEET exam is also available in English medium because it is easy for those students who knows English very well. If you know English very well, then you can crack NEET exam very well and because their syllabus is totally present in English. And if you talk about the importance of English in our life, like any field like business and for any simple man, so it is also benefit because if you are a beginner or if you want to communicate with any foreign people, so that time only English language will help you. Suppose that I am Indian people and if I want to communicate with any American people, if I want to communicate with any British people, with anyone, you can say with any foreign people, so that time I can communicate with them only by the help of English language because English is an international language. It's spoken in all over the world and you can say English is also a common language and impressive language. If you want to impress anyone, then you can impress by the help of English language. You can also say because in your locality, in your school or in your college, if any boy who speaks English very well, then all people, all students, all girls, all boys, they feel he is very intelligent, he is very talent because he is speaking English. I think he has too much knowledge. So friends, if you speak English, then many people will respect you. Many people will understand you are very intelligent and you are doing great work. So English language, it also increase our personality and it also make our personality very bright and very high. So it is very important in our life because today I'm learning English for myself and for my study because if my English is good, then I can understand the syllabus of science subject. And if you talk about science subject, so science subject is very difficult for those students who don't know English very well. If you don't know English very well, then it is very difficult for you because you cannot prepare for any competitive exam very well and you cannot crack that exam and you cannot qualify. So first of all, English language will help you. So friends, we also try to learn English and we also try to speak English. We also try to write English very well and do different in our life, do different in our education field. And English is very important language for communicating with any people because today I am learning English and today I am speaking English. If I want to communicate with any people, then I can communicate with them very easily. So friends, you can say this is very important language. And if you talk about the language of science, the language of technology, so it is totally present, it is totally available in English medium. Because if you talk about the language of social media, it means like Facebook, WhatsApp, and not only Facebook, WhatsApp, and many things like technology language. Because if you are using Google, so in the Google, if you type anything, then that time you will also get many English sentence. And if you want to book anything, if you want to do any online work, so that time you will get many English sentence. So if you don't know, then how can you understand, and how can you fill your form very well? Yeah, if you want to apply any form online, so that time English language will help you. And you know, the language of computer is totally present in English medium. Because if you don't know English very well, then you can never operate your computer very well. So we need to learn English in any cost, in any way. So we should try to learn English, and we should be ready for learn English. So friends, I hope we all have understood very well. And जय हिंद, जय भारत। आज के लिए बस इतना ही भाई।